Here's a little life hack for you. What to do if you have a light bulb and you want to install it, but you don't have a socket. Well, just take a grounded extension cord or power supply cable from a computer like this here and cut it up. Next step, take a piece of wire and put it through the holes, just like this. And now put the bulb in and twist the wires. And now you have made a light bulb socket. The only thing to do is short the two wires, plus and minus, and use ground and plus and minus instead of plus and minus. Simple. Yeah, and very dodgy. And now the wiring. I have removed the outer layer and now I'm stripping the cables with one of my very old tools again. Never buy new stuff if you can buy old stuff or inherit it. Well, you don't need actually. The ground and one of the cables from the side. So one of the sides will be active and the other just nothing, and the other side on top here is also active. Just put it on the wall or hang it from the ceiling. It's perfect for ceiling because you don't touch it up there. Yeah, and this is actually working. I will show you. And now a little disclaimer. Okay, this is very dodgy and probably get you killed if you touch it. So, this is not meant to be plugged in to the wall. This is for the ceiling. Imagine the case, you have a new apartment, you move in to paint the walls or whatever you do, but yeah, the old problem. No light bulbs or sockets installed and it gets dark, and this is what the hack is meant to be for.